Issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Little Neck Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 1:45 p.m. At 12:43 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles northwest of Michigan City to Calumet Harbor, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Intact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations and tactics include Indiana Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, and Hammond Marina. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.